What if you could access Perplexity Pro for an entire month without paying a single penny and without entering any card details? No trial, no tricks. Just a clean, simple method that actually works. Follow a few quick steps, and you will be using a full Pro account within minutes. With it, you can access powerful AI chat models from ChatGPT to Claude to the latest version of Grok and get fast, up-to-date, real-time answers that others are still searching for. Yes, it's real, and it works. Here is exactly how to get it. Copy the first link provided in the description. It will take you to the invitation page. Click on the Claim Invitation button, and a sign-up page will open. Sign up using your email address. Then, copy and paste the verification code. Next, download the Comet Browser. Install the browser by following the on-screen instructions. Once the installation is complete, click the Launch button. Finish the setup, and your browser will be ready to use. Now, sign in to your account. From here, you can start asking any query or looking up information. The best part? This tool gives you everything answers, images, and even videos, all in one place. After asking 2-3 questions and following the provided link, you will receive an official email confirming your Pro subscription upgrade. Just restart your browser. And there it is, your Pro subscription is now active. You will now have access to all the premium models, including ChatGPT 5, Gemini, and Grok, all in one place. Just follow these simple steps and enjoy your premium subscription absolutely free. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you soon with more exciting tips.